So, nandito na kami sa Daytona Beach and kasama namin si Lolo at si Lori. Kahapon nasa Paris lang kami, ngayon nasa beach na. May mga plano talaga tayong hindi natutuloy. Pero may mas magandang ipapalit si Lord. Tulad nito. Unang plano talaga namin ni Joanne is pumunta ng Switzerland after ng Paris. Siyempre, para naman sulit yung Schengen visa namin, di ba? Kaso, naigats, magastos, and kulang sa oras. Tapos, bigla namin naalala si Lolo. Bakit di na lang tayo mag-Florida?
Hello! So right now, nandito kami sa San Francisco Airport. Galing kami from Paris. Praise God kasi nakasakay kami. Grabe yung blessing kasi if hindi kami natuloy in that flight, domino effect yon. Kasi right now, from San Francisco, pupunta naman kami ng Seattle. We'll spend 5 hours there para mag-lunch or mag-dinner with Louis' fam. And then from there, pupunta naman kami ng Florida to visit lolo ni Louie. So, grabe, ang intense. But ang goal kasi namin in this trip is to spend time sana with lola and lolo. Mas tagal na silang hindi nakakasama ni Louie. And since nandito naman na kami sa Canada, might as well take the opportunity kasi mas malapit na kami sa kanila right now. So, samahan nyo kami pupunta sa Florida. And, may seat na kami.
So, from Paris to San Francisco to Seattle, kinailangan muna namin bumaba para sunduin yung dalawa kong kapatid. Tsaka, syempre, ibigay na rin yung mga pasalubong galing sa Paris. Kinailangan namin magpalit ng maleta kasi ang dami naming dala galing Paris. Kaya, nagpalit na lang kami sa parking lot kasi wala na kaming oras. Diba, sabi ko kanina may mga planong hindi natutuloy. Pero may mas magandang ipapalit si Lord. Ito na yun.
Rusty red on her shoulder, I was cleaning her shoe when it clicked on the trot over in the bright morning dew. We brushed and we braided dandelions and chewed. Was a mutual arrangement we both saw into. But can she walk in the fire? Can she run in the rain? Can she make it up the mountainside? Can she make it down again? I have often wondered if she'll go and jump the fence. Will she keep on moving onward or stay in what
10 years na simula nung huli kami nagkita ni Lolo. Sino nga ba naman mag-aakalang dito pa kami magsasama-sama sa Florida?
broke my arm
Lord,
in
salamat.
December.
Salamat
We
sa
were
biyayang bigay.
running for the thrill. You turned in the canyon to the snowbank where I fell. Even still, I remember knowing she could feel it too. Was a mutual arrangement, we both knew what to do. had a star on her forehead that was easy to find. When I let down her bridle, saw into her hazel eyes. We had a deep understanding, never had to use a bit. Was a mutual arrangement and an honest respect. Can she walk in the fire? Can she run in the rain? Can she make it up the mountainside? Can she make it down again? I have often wondered if she'll go and jump the fence. Will she keep on moving onward or stay in what could have been? Will she keep on moving onward or stay in what could have been?
Lo, di man matagal pagsasama natin. Sana kahit saglit, naparamdam naming mahal ka namin. At Florida, hindi pa ito ang huli. Hanggang sa muli.